Hello everyone. First of all, I would like to thank you all for subscribing my channel. Since in my earlier videos, I have shown you the admission form filling process of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Technological University on IOMS portal for newly admitted FYB pharmacy students. One student recommended me to show the process of exam form filling. So today I will show you how can we fill the exam form at IOMS portal. So basically this process is divided in 3 steps. First step, that is admission form filling. You have to do it from student login, that already we have completed. Next is the whatever the forms are filled in the student login, all these admission forms must get approved by the respective institute and the university. Then only the exam form link at the student login will be activated. So today we will see how can we fill the exam form at student login. So let's start with the demo. So this is the login page of IOMS portal. The link for this login page I have already given in the description box. You can check it. So student can log in over here. So just click on this login. All the students know about the username and password. So enter your username over here. Password is your registered mobile number. So enter here your password. So here again you have to click on student profile. Click on fill student profile. Again go to the menu. Click on transaction. So here the exam form student login is present. So here you can fill your examination form. So click on this exam form. Here in the action, the fill form is link is given over here. Just click on this fill form. So whatever the subjects you have selected in the admission form, the same subject group will be displayed over here. Just you have to check the correct subject group is given here or not. After that you have to save this form. Click on save. So form will get saved. Again you have to save this. Click on save. Now you can pay the payment. So click on this pay fee online. Here the options are given for the online payment. So you can use net banking, credit card or debit card, IMPS system, and the UPI transaction also you can try. But the best option for doing this online payment is using the credit card and debit card. So your fees will be easily captured and the receipt will be generated easily. If you go for the UPI payments or net banking, then it will take time to update your fees. So I suggest you to use the credit card or debit card for the payment. So you can choose it, the correct option. Here two options are given, that is all banks credit or debit cards, and this is the pay government credit cards and debit cards. So you can choose it as per your choice. Here I am selecting the all banks credit card and debit card. So fees is displayed over here, your name for which you are going to do the payment, your application number, charges that is 1000 rupees, portal fees, and the total amount will be displayed over here. Then click on your proceed for the payment. So here I am selecting debit card. Enter your card details over here. Click on this pay rupees 1000. You will receive the OTP at your registered mobile number. So enter your ATP over here and verify it. So this message box is seen over here, that is transaction is successful. So here you can check your payment details. So this receipt is present over here. In this receipt you can check your name of the examination, academy of examination, course of the institutes, name of the candidate, and whatever the subjects for which you have applied. And your payment mode, transaction ID, transaction number, and status of your transaction is also present over here, along with the amount and the date of your transaction. So all the details you will get over here in this receipt. So in this way you can fill your examination form.